welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be testing out another new palette from Revolution. So this is from Revolution Pro and it's the ROCKSTAR, this is the Noir Edition palette. So this is the darker one. I have got the other one, which is here, but I'm going to do this in a separate video. So the packaging on the outside actually looks really nice. I love this kind of quilted, almost studded look, and it is like 3D as well. And then inside it's exactly the same on the palette itself. And then these are just beautiful colours. So again, we've got a nice size mirror and it is a very heavy mirror. And these are the shades that we're looking at. How beautiful are these? I actually adore this shade here, which is called Femme. So I really want to put that into the look, although I have done quite a few like sort of reddy purpley tones lately. But yeah, but I am really liking that one, to be honest. So yeah, I don't know what look I'm going to create. I'm just going to make it up as I go along. So yeah, let's get cracking. Right. So I think the first thing I'm going to do is go all over my lid with this shade in the corner here called Alone. Time moves fast when I'm with you. Okay, that hasn't obviously done much. I've just used that to set my base. I think I've decided what I'm going to do. So in the crease, I'm going to go in with this really dark shade here called Solo. I'm not scared of commitment. I'm just scared of doing something wrong. I don't want to see you go. That's a really nice brown. Really nice. Sometimes it gets hard for me to tell you how I feel. I'm afraid to show you it's underneath, 'cause I don't want to let you down. Got a lot of demons. And then just above that shade, I'm going to go in with the one next to it, which is called Ultimatum. Really like how they blend together. They're almost made for each other, those two. That's obviously why they're next to each other. Right. So then on my outer corner, I'm going to go in with this one I liked. So this one called Femme. I love that shade. That's really nice. And so far, no fallout from the matte shades. Shimmer might be different, but the matte shades, no fallout at all. So I'm really tempted, you know, to go for this one here called Timeless. It's kind of like a khaki, like a goldy green. I don't know if it's got a bit of a duochrome in it. It's kind of got a slight colour shift. And then I do quite like this one here called Fatale. I'm just going to swatch them both and see what the difference is like. Do you know what? Weirdly, this one here looks more. No, it is. I think it is a bit duochrome. It is. When I put it on my finger, it looked more green. See, on camera it does look gold. Oh, decisions. Right, okay, I'm going to go with the first one I said. So, Timeless. I'm really glad I went for that shade because it's blooming beautiful. I like that a lot. Right, so underneath I'm going to go in with that Femme. Do you know what? I'm going to go Femme on this half, and then on the inner I'm actually going to go in with Ultimatum.
And it could fade away, but it probably won't, and I should let it be. But I'm gonna dive.
Really like this palette. I like it a lot. I love the colours. Yeah. Right, okay, so inner corner and also brow bone, I am going to go in with Promise, which is this shade just here, like a champagne-y kind of shade. Make quite a nice highlighter actually.
While we try to fight it, every time that we touch the room caught on fire, we could blame it on the one.
Yeah. Ooh. Yeah, like that. Right, okay, so I'm just going to go and do the other eye, pop some lashes and lippy on. For lashes, I'm actually going to be using these ones from Pink Fishes in Luxe 12. These are so good. So I'm going to pop these on and I will see you in a moment. And here we have the finished look, and I absolutely love it. This palette, honestly, I would highly recommend. I am really shocked. Bearing in mind, when I bought these, I forgot to mention that earlier, that I got both of the Rockstar palettes were on offer for 2 for £20, and then there was a 3 for 2 as well. So the concealer I used in my Roxy video, which is the new Eye Bright concealer, I basically got that one for free. So I got 2 palettes and the concealer for 20 quid. Bargain. So I'm really, really happy. I'm really excited to try the other one now to see if it performs just as well. I would imagine it would, because they're the same formula. But yeah, honestly, get it. It is really, really good. Blends so nice. I think that's probably the best blend I've had from a palette in quite some time actually. Yeah, really, really nice. So yeah, that's how it's looking. And yeah, I'm really, really pleased with it. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I'd really appreciate it. It'd mean the absolute world to me if you enjoyed watching this video and you would like to see more content from me in the future, and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye.